Okay, now this video is going to go over the videos section. Okay, so if we click on videos, you see we have the test video 3 here. Okay, and if we go to the back end, we go to content, article manager, and again, if this doesn't show up, you just select the section, pictures and videos, and the category, picture and video category. I would eventually like to separate pictures and videos, but again, because of the time frame, this is the quickest thing to do. I would actually like the pictures to be in more of a true photo album, so I'll be looking for something for that, but let's move on to videos. So what you need to do is you need to sign up for a YouTube account. Okay, so I'll show you my YouTube account here. I'm currently uploading some other videos that I've done today, but all you'd simply do is you click upload video and you browse to the video file on your computer and you click upload and you give it a title, description, tags, other stuff like that. But you don't really, I mean, it's up to you. Description is good, a good title is good also. Alright, so the program I'm using to record today is a program called Cam Studio, and that allows you to record anything on your computer screen. Alright, so I'll move that off and we'll go ahead and look at the test video. Alright, and so it just has a name, and again I copy and paste, and then you can put your text here, and here's the code that you want to use. So let's go ahead and copy this code. Copy, and then we'll bring YouTube back over here, and here is one of the new user video that I did today. So we're going to want to grab this right here. Okay, I'm going to minimize this for a second. I'm going to close this. And I'm going to say new. And I'm going to go ahead and paste the code down here. I'm going to go test video number 4. And I'm going to copy and paste. And then you can put your description right there. And again, so we're going to bring up YouTube. And I'm going to grab this little piece of code right here from YouTube. Copy that. And I'm going to put it right here. And we're going to paste. Okay, and then these numbers right here are the size of the video display. So I'm just going to change it to 800 by 600. The number 1 right here is whether it, sorry, my phones are going crazy, whether the video plays automatically or that the person has to click to play it. I personally like to click it myself, so number 1 is what that is for. And so we'll go ahead and click save, and now we have test video number 4, and it is published. So we go back to here, and we click on pictures and videos, and then we click on test video number 4, and it brings up a new window, and it loads the new user video that I made for you today, and you see the size of it. So let's go back over here and we'll look at the video of Grace on the horse, and that one was set to the smaller size, and so you can see how that one works. Alright, and it's up to you. You can go even smaller or even larger if you'd like, and I believe you can also put multiple videos on one page. So if we go back to that back end and we go to test number 4, let's test that. Let's see how it works. So let's Control C, Control V, and let me change this to 300 200. Honestly, I'm not sure how this is going to come out. Sometimes you got to test things though. 300. 200. And let's bring my YouTube account up again. And let's go to my videos. And let's go to the FP tabs. And then we'll go ahead and grab this little bit of code at the back end. Copy. And then we'll go ahead and replace it right here. So it's a separate video. And then we'll save. Then we go back to the site. Then we go pictures and videos. Test video number 4. And there we go. And I'm sure you can mess with the HTML code and try to put them in a table. Let me pause the video and I'll show you an example of that. Alright, so I just went ahead and Googled table HTML code, and I found this code, and if we go back to the back end, I just basically pasted it into first I clicked on HTML right here and this window popped up, and I just pasted the code into here, and I changed the 20% to 50%, and I put the titles, and then I took this code right here and I pasted it into the table. So let's see how it turns out. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so go ahead and click save. And then we go back to the web page and pictures and videos. And test video number 4. And then we see the 2 original, and there we go. We see the 2 videos here. Okay, so let's go back to the back end and get rid of these other 2. Okay, so we can go back to the back end, test video number 4, and then we're just going to remove, and we'll just save, and then we'll go to test video and we'll refresh. And there we go. And you can click play, and there we go. And you can open it in a bigger window through YouTube, and that's how the videos work.